Hello, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. Another simple egg recipe or some sort of breakfast ideas. Today we're doing zucchini eggs with a few spices. Doesn't take long, it's delicious, fairly cheap, wonderful stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got here about 3 cups of zucchini, courgette or kusa, whatever you call it. I've cut it into kind of pieces like that. You can cut it into rounds, you can cut it however you want really. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then 1 teaspoon each. This is what I'm using today, but you could really play around with it. Salt, pepper, sweet paprika, thyme, and cumin. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can change that if you want. Slightly above medium heat. We're going to drop in that 1 cup of onion. You can see I've cut that really small. And the tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're going to go for 3 to 4 minutes. Beautiful. Let's get in our zucchini or our courgette. You can see how I've cut my one. And again, let's go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now I'm quite happy to eat my zucchini like that. You might want to cook them a bit more. I don't mind them having a little bite in them. So we're going to go teaspoon each, salt, pepper, thyme, cumin, and paprika. In that goes. And we're going to just stir this in for around 60 seconds or so. Marvellous. Now I've got 4 eggs here that I've beaten, so in that goes. Now I quite like my eggs fairly well done, but that's entirely up to you. So we're going to mix this around. For me it's going to be about 4 minutes or so. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Job done. Really simple zucchini eggs. Okay, off goes the heat. Like I say, I like my eggs fairly well done. I'm just going to finish this off with some fresh dill, but any fresh herbs beautiful in this. If you want to put some parsley in, or basil, or coriander, cilantro, anything works. Lovely stuff. And there you go. Told you I'm not going to keep you long today. Very simple, very tasty, beautiful zucchini eggs. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.